Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Done this analysis several times before, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And this thing just remains in absolute beast mode. And I've talked, and I'm not going to recap it too much, but I've talked 327 time and time again. And this thing just keeps getting further and further away from that area. So looking like, the price doesn't really want to or have any interest in back testing that area. So on that note, what I'm going to do here is just a little house cleaning, get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they absolutely still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. But the big showdown coming forward now, going to be right up here at the 335 mark. In fact, let me go to the daily time frame. And that way you can see, where this area is coming from, because it is going back essentially to, oh, wow. Are we almost at? Yeah, we're almost at we've almost made, I didn't realize that. I've lost track of things, I guess the life of a trader there. But we are going back to highs, and the high of that is at 335.81. So actually 336 is going to be the next key battleground. And after 336, it's looking like it very well could make a good run up to, even 340 and put us at all-time highs. And if there are some breaks of there, there's going to be some stop losses and stuff set up there, which is going to, give a boost. Whether or not that boost actually, is maintainable, that's a whole nother discussion. But point here being, 336 is now well within striking distance. And after 336, next key overarching level right up there around the highs. And those are up around, the 339 mark. So we'll see what happens with it from the resistance side of things. But now let's go back to the 30-minute, because that's where some of these levels of support are going to be. And the near-term level of support just comes from a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed below, or closed above, they tend to act as resistance. And going into the day, that level right around the 332.50 mark had been that area of resistance. You can see the price struggled quite a bit. But once the price did get above it, at this point, you would want to see the price stay above there if there is a back test of it. But all in all, the uptrend continues. So let's see how it closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.